Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever received a verification code but it does not work? This is a common problem, and it can be very frustrating when you are trying to log in quickly. Let me show you why this happens and how to fix it. First, check that you are entering the latest verification code. If multiple codes were requested, make sure to use only the newest one. Next, check your phone's date and time settings. If the time or date is incorrect, the verification code may be invalid. Also, avoid using a VPN or ad blocker, as these can interfere with some apps' verification processes. If the code still does not work, request a new code from the app. Make sure you enter it immediately before it expires. Once done correctly, you will be able to log in without any problem. This simple process saves you from repeated failed login attempts and frustration. Always remember to enter the latest code and check your phone settings if it fails. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more account fixes and tips.